Hello, dear students. So we are done with our theory, and here comes our question, which was asked in JEE Advanced 2019. The question says that for the following reaction, the equilibrium constant Kc at 298 Kelvin is given as 1.6 into 10 raised to the power 17. So let's write it down that we are given one reaction Fe2 plus aqueous plus sulfide ion aqueous giving iron sulfide solid. Very careful, right? And for that, Kc is given. Kc comes out to be 1.6 into 10 raised to the power 17. Fine. Okay. Now it is saying that when equal volume of 0.06 molar Fe2 plus and 0.2 molar sulfide solution are mixed, when two volumes which are equal, they are mixed, the concentration becomes half, right? Okay. So iron 2 plus is given 0.06, it will become half to 0.03. Sulfide ion is given 0.2, it will comes out to be 0.1. Right, fine. So we have been asked to find out the equilibrium concentration of Fe2 plus, okay, which is Y into 10 raised to the power minus 17. Such a lower concentration. How is it possible? So look at the value of Kc. Kc is far more greater than 10 raised to the power 3, right? And I have explained in the theory that if Kc value is very greater than 10 raised to the power 3, it means that product concentration is much larger than the reactant concentration, and reaction has nearly gone to the completion, and reactant has become zero, or you will say nearly zero. It is such a negligible small quantity that you can consider it zero, right? Okay. So which reactant? There are two reactants, so which are in the limiting quantity, or we can say that which are our limiting reagent. So Fe2 plus is our limiting reagent because its quantity is less, 0.03. Sulfide ion is not a limiting reagent because its quantity is high, 0.1. Fine. So what we will do? We will run our reaction according to Fe2 plus. Fine. So what will happen, because the equilibrium constant is having a large value, so 0.03 will become completely zero. That means it will completely neglected. Fine. So let's take it in a step by manner. So we will write, if I remove X from it, so same X will be removed from sulfide ion also, and iron sulfide will formed as X. Right? Okay. Now because X will be nearly about 0.03 because our Kc is very high. So I will write this will become nearly zero. But we never write zero, because if we write zero, we will get the infinite answer. So we will write Y, but Y is very lesser quantity. Right? Fine. And this will comes out to be nearly 0.1 minus 0.03, which is 0.07. And it will comes out to be 0.03. Right? But we don't have to worry about the iron sulfide. Why? Because iron sulfide is a solid and we never consider solid while writing the equilibrium expression. Fine. So if I write the equilibrium expression, I will write 1.6 into 10 raised to the power 17 equals 1 upon Y into 0.07. So from here, if I solve it, Y comes out to be 1 upon 0.07 into 1.6 into 10 raised to the power 17, which can be written as 10 raised to the power minus 17 upon 0.07 into 1.6. When you will solve it, you will get the answer 8.928 into 10 raised to the power minus 17. Right? So we have to report the answer as Y into 10 raised to the power minus 17. So if I will compare, Y is nothing but 8.928. So our answer is 8.928, or you can round it off and you can write 8.93. Right? So this is a very beautiful question was asked in JEE Advanced 2019, in which they took the idea of the Kc very greater than 10 raised to the power 3. Right? So I hope you understand the question. In the next class, I will carry some more good questions, right? asked in JEE Advanced and NEET, right? We will discuss them. Till then, keep studying. Tata, see you, bye bye.